If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all, we need to open the clock app. So let's go to the app drawer, and over here you should be able to find the clock app. Over here, make sure that the alarm option is selected. You can simply press this plus button in order to create your own alarm. You can choose when the alarm should go off, and then we can press OK. And there we go. Besides that, we have some customization options that you can go through. You can tap on the switcher to turn off or turn on the alarm. You can choose days of the week when it should repeat. And you can of course customize it at any point. So you can tap on the time in order to change it as well. And that's pretty much it. In case you want to remove an alarm, you can, for example, reveal these options in order to find the delete, or so for some reason, oh, there we go, it works. Or we can go over here. Actually, no, we cannot select here, but you should be able to simply remove it by opening the options. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.